And don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to...
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Taryn J, and this is Life as Taryn J. So as you can see by the title down below, y'all already know what we're about to be talking about: how to start and grow your YouTube channel for beginners. You guys, this is just some basic steps on how to start a channel, how to grow a channel, the equipment you'll need, the applications you'll use. I'll throw out some little tips here and there. So let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, you need to make an account. You need to make a YouTube channel. If you're watching this, you've probably already completed step 1. Good job. But yes, you need to make the channel. So don't even like overthink about the name. Oh, what should I call it? Really, you can just start off with your name, like whatever your mother names you. Just start off with that. People ask me all the time, well, I want to start a YouTube channel, but you know, I don't have a camera and I don't have this, I don't have that. You do not need to buy a camera, please. If you have not made like one single video, you have no subscriber base, I do not recommend buying a camera. I do not recommend spending, because y'all, these cameras are expensive. Like the lower end, you're spending at least $800. So I don't recommend going out and spend all this money. Use what you have. If you have an iPhone and it's like one of the newer iPhones, or an iPad and it's one of the newer iPads, start with that because the quality is amazing. And if you have an Android, I recommend buying an iPhone. That's just me, because the quality of Androids on YouTube, buy an iPhone. Once you start to see ROI, your return on investment, then I would suggest going out and buying a camera, buying a laptop, buying all those things. But starting out, you need your iPhone, possibly like a small little tripod to put your iPhone in, so when you're recording that you don't have to like look like this. You know, it's just easier to hold the camera and prop the camera up. You can go on Amazon, you can go on Temu, you can go, there's just so many places you can go to get a small tripod, and they're actually very affordable. So next, I do not recommend buying any applications to do like your editing on, to do your thumbnails on. Y'all, there's so many free things you can use to start out. So for example, if you have an iPhone and you're using your iPhone, or if you already have a MacBook, you already have iMovie. That is free, completely free. You can also use CapCut. They have a free version. Do not pay for anything right off the bat, because YouTube actually takes a lot of work and a lot of effort. And I notice the people that come to me and they want, oh, well, what do you use and what do you do? And y'all, they might make like 1 or 2 videos and then never do it again, because they see how much work it actually takes and they don't want to do it anymore. So I highly do not recommend spending a bunch of money unless you're already using like CapCut for, you know, Instagram Reels or TikToks or whatever. Then okay, that might be something that's not necessarily an investment. You're already using it, so, and you might already be paying for it, so that's different. But just to be like, oh, I have to purchase all these things in order to start a YouTube channel, that is a lie. Do not purchase anything starting out. Use what you have. And I'm probably going to reiterate that several times through this video. Use what you have. Stop overthinking every little thing about making a video, making a channel. Like, oh, I don't know what kind of content I'm going to post, or oh, I sound dumb, or you know, just don't overthink it. You need the practice. The more you make videos, the more you edit it, the more you post it, that's really just practice. Because later on, when you get better and you're at your peak, you can go back and you can private those videos, you can delete those videos, you can do whatever you want. but you need a starting foundation, and the only way to get that is to actually just start. Don't overthink the process. Don't overthink, oh, my editing's not like such and such. That doesn't matter. No one really comes to YouTube to watch anybody act a specific way. How do I say that? Act a specific way. Don't come on here being somebody you're not. Please don't do that. That is not real entertainment. That is, you want people to follow you, and you want to build that supporters foundation off of people actually liking you and knowing who you are. Your content does not have to be like anyone else's verbatim. That's actually a little bit weird. Be yourself. All right, next. This is huge. This is the #1 tip that I actually tend not to follow, so I'm doing better myself, but you have to be consistent. In order to gain any kind of following, any kind of views, you have to be consistent here on this platform, because the algorithm will forget about you. Like, they just will. And trying to get back in that space is hard sometimes. So make sure you are very consistent. You need to post at minimum once a week, and it needs to be like a thought out content. It can't just be, oh, I'm just posting a video. Well, nah, like, it needs to be a thought out content. So, oh, I'm gonna post, you know, this once this week. Let it be a vlog. It was a thought out weekly vlog, or it was a cleaning video. It needs to be something once a week minimum, and it needs to be thought out. If you don't know what type of content you want to create or what niche you want to be in, that is okay. Go with trendy videos that are already like doing well on YouTube. So for example, Get Ready With Me, story time videos, what else, first day of college, videos like that actually do very well. But think about the season we're in. So for example, school is about to start back soon. So first day of college, first day of being a teacher, those kind of videos are going to be very popular and very trendy, because we're about to go back to school. Something to think about, something to consider. So if you don't have an idea, just start off with those. Start off with the trendy videos. It is perfectly okay. And then as you go, add on to the type of videos that you like and the type of videos that you just want to do. I like to vlog my life. I am in the mommy sector of YouTube, and I'm okay with that because I love it over here. Like, this is my tribe, this is my audience. But somebody who is a college student, a young college student, they would not be on this side of YouTube. There's sectors for a reason. They do exist. Be mindful of that. Also, to push out your videos, a good way of doing that is to post on your other social media platforms. So if you have a Snapchat, if you have Instagram, if you have a Facebook, if you have a TikTok, if you have any of those other things, even your community tab on YouTube, post the video on there. Like, post the video. And here's the thing, people, I know some of y'all might be shy and like, oh, I don't want everybody to know I have a YouTube channel. Baby, they're gonna find out anyway. They're going to find out anyway. So what is the big deal? They're gonna find out. They're going to start potentially watching anyway. So go ahead and post it on there. You might as well get the views. What's wrong with that? So again, like I stated before, be consistent. Make sure that you are posting at least once a week. Also, don't get discouraged. You know, people grow at different peaks in time. People get monetized at different times. Don't overthink it, because the best way to learn on YouTube is to actually be on YouTube, because there's certain things that I can try to explain to you, but you won't actually understand it unless you're doing it. So if you've never edited a video in your life, me trying to explain to you how to edit a video is probably not going to register. Or just certain equipment, it's not going to register because it's not something you do. It's kind of like when you go to the doctor's office and they're explaining to you what's going on, but you really don't fully comprehend and don't fully understand, because that's not your field. Like, you don't work in a doctor's office, you're not a nurse, you're not a doctor or anything. It's pretty much the same thing. I can try to explain to you all day, every day, but unless you start, unless you're working on it, doing your own research, doing it, you're not going to fully comprehend what I'm talking about. I hope this video really helped somebody. I hope it encouraged you. You guys stay blessed, you guys stay encouraged, and stay in the word, honey. Bye. Oh, and wait, make sure you share this video and you are subscribed. Like this video, y'all. Like this video.
Of a flaw, all this environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away.